Hello, I am Kodili-nye, the son of the wonderful. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending on your geographical location and your time zone. I hope you are having a wonderful time. We are going to discuss the Soludo's exploit also in road construction, Ebenebe-Obaofemili Road. This is what we are seeing. This is not how Anambra used to be for past 8 years or past 10 years. The roads are not like this. So showing that the Soludo is bringing about a different approach. So we're going to discuss about the exploit of Professor Chukwuma Soludo in Anambra State in road construction using this road, Ebenebe-Obaofemili Road. This was so much road that was a mess. But before we discuss about this, I encourage you to like, comment, and turn on the notification button so that we can discuss on this. I thank you once again for always joining us. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe so that we can continue to give you the best. What is your view about Soludo? Some people has been having a different idea about him. But to you that is watching this, considering the or you are from this area in our Anambra State, the Oka North, Ebenebe-Obaofemili, do you think Soludo is doing great in road construction? What is your thoughts? That's what we are going to discuss, because we are talking about the Soludo's exploit in road construction in Anambra State. Using Ebenebe-Obaofemili Road as a yearstay. What is your thoughts? You can comment, you can like, because we are going to use this your comments to for those that doesn't know about the road condition in Anambra State. So stay tuned as we begin to discuss about this. Stay tuned. I am Kodili-nye, the son of wonderful. Welcome back. We are discussing the exploit of Soludo in road construction and rehabilitation in Anambra State. Anambra State, as you know, is in the eastern Nigeria. And this is a state that known for their entrepreneurship, indulgence, and industry. But over the years, the state suffered as a result of abandonment of this important infrastructure, the roads, by the past administration. For over 8 years, most of the roads in the state was abandoned. And Soludo, the present-day governor, came in the scene, and he was campaigning about declaring emergency on roads. Many people did not believe him at once about the road issue, but he was saying that he will actually get the roads up and going again. And now, the road we are just watching is Ebenebe-Obaofemili Road. in Oka North local government area of Anambra State. This road represents what can change in Anambra State, the exploit of Soludo in road infrastructure. This road before now was unpassable. When I mean it was that bad, that even the former governor of Anambra State, Sir Willie Obiano, on many of his visits in this area, struggled to pass this road. And he made a heaven and earth promise of starting work immediately and doing this road. But for 8 years, nothing was done. But Soludo, within less than 2 years, he has actually done this road. The road has been completed. This road leads to almost the border of Anambra to Enugu State. You can see how the whole place has been transformed. Although we might have been saying that this road should have been expanded, or even if they are not going to do the double lane, they should have expanded it, and because this is important road to the Enugu state, should have been dual carriageway. But like Anambra State that like so much narrow roads, it's still the same. But the community are not complaining at the moment because they have not seen a good road, good infrastructure, especially on road infrastructure like this before. Because they've been used to having issue with traveling on the very bad roads. And this has crippled the economic potentials of this area, known for the agricultural products. And this also has created a lot of insecurity because the hoodlums and the bandits were using this opportunity to waylay and exploit the people. But thank God that Soludo came on the scene. The exploits of Soludo on road infrastructure in Anambra State. That's what we are discussing. If you are joining this video, please comment, please like, and we will continue on our discussion. So welcome back. So Soludo has hate him or love him, the truth must be said that he has accomplished this feat, especially looking at this community that has not benefited in road infrastructure and opening all this community by doing this road. I do believe that people of this area will remember him forever for doing this road. And the contractor doing this road did a marvelous job. Because this road, I see it to last even more than 20 years. And the drainage he did here was fantastic. Supposing if this road was actually expanded to a dual carriageway, this would have changed Anambra State for good. From Oka to Enugu border. You know, it would have actually transformed Anambra State, for sure. But it wasn't done. But the single lane, the people are appreciative of that. And we must also thank the government of Anambra State, led by Soludo, for this exploit in road infrastructure. We also urge him to carry on, especially some of these key roads, this road that is very important in future economic development of the state, to see to its dualization or making provision for that. You know, it's very, very important because Anambra is exploding in population of people and businesses. And as they are doing this road, more people will start using this road and will start having problem you have in other areas where the roads are single lane. The the exploit of Soludo in road infrastructure in Anambra State. Thank you very much for joining us. Remember to subscribe, remember to like. I wish to thank you for your support. I see you in the next video. Bye. Without anything from here to Obaofemili less than 20 minutes. But when you see up like this, I'm an ocean. Why are you getting in the dust? Oh, now your tax money at work. Tax money, man, who's are the smooth? Hey, when driving through when seeing is believing. Obaofemili, we are heading to Obaofemili. Driving through when driving through